Hi everyone, it's Fiona from YBR St Mary's and it's Mortgage Monday. Today I'm going to talk about the fact that soon you will be able to borrow more money. And there is one exciting reason for that. Now, the banking regulators of Australia have come together and realised that the assessment rate that you're currently, that they're assessing your loan on is too high. So the assessment rate, and I know I hear you saying, Fiona, what's an assessment rate? Well, the assessment rate is the rate that the banks assess your loan as opposed to what the interest rate is. So say, for example, your home loan that you're going for is 4%. Excuse me. Well, they assess it at 7%, 7.5%. And the reason for that is in case there are any interest rate rises or just to make sure if there are changes that the banks are still covered and they can make sure that you can still afford your loan comfortably. So because the interest rate has come down to such a low rate that it is now, they've agreed that this assessment rate is too high. So what they've decided is they're going to make it 2.5% above the interest rate for the loan you're going for. So say, for example, as I said, your interest rate is 4%. They're going to assess it at a minimum of 6.5%. Some banks can go higher than that, but the minimum that they can go above is 2.5%, which is great. So what that means is based on your current income, you'll be able to borrow more than what you're borrowing now. That's it. So it's definitely going to happen, but we're not exactly sure of the timeline. I've spoken to a few banks in the last week and they all know about it, but there's still not a date as to when it's happening, but it's happening soon, in the next month to 2 months, hopefully. So that's definitely a positive on our front, on the client's front. So that's it from me. If you'd like any further information on what I've discussed, feel free to leave a message below and have a great day.